journey of human progress. Like the seven horses driving the chariot of sun god, India's energy map will have seven key drivers. The drivers of change are accelerating our efforts to move towards the gas-based economy, cleaner use of fossil fuel, particularly petroleum and coal, greater reliance on domestic sources to drive biofuels, achieving the renewable targets of 450 gigawatt by 2030, increasing the contribution of electricity to decarbonize mobility, moving into the emerging fuels including hydrogen, digital innovation across all the energy systems. There will be continuity of these robust energy policies that have been in place over the last 6 years. Friends, India Energy Forum SERA Week is serving as an important platform between industry, government and society. I am confident that this conference will have fruitful deliberations for a better energy future. I state again, India's energy will energize the world. Thank you. Thank you again. Tenfold. In the last 6 years, over 1.1 crore or 11 million smart LED street lights were installed. These have enabled an estimated energy saving of 60 billion units per year. The estimated greenhouse gas emission reduction with this program is over 4.5 all these one point or 11 million smart LED street lights were installed. These have enabled an estimated energy saving of 60 billion units per year. The estimated greenhouse gas emission reduction with this program is over 4.5 crore or 45 million tons of carbon dioxide annually. Along with all these, we also saved around rupees 24,000 crore or rupees 240 billion annually. It is due to such interventions that reports have said that India is the most attractive emerging market for clean energy investment. Friends, as I said, India will always work keeping in mind global good. We are well on track the 75 gigawatt by 2022. We have further extended this than the rest of the industrialized world. Yet, we will continue to make efforts to fight climate change. Friends, India's reform journey has been on the high speed for the last 6 years. The energy sector has seen many path-breaking reforms. Reforms in exploration and licensing policy were put in place in February 2019. The focus has shifted from revenue to production maximization. There is also focus on greater transparency and streamlined procedures. We plan to grow our refining capacities from about 250 to 400 million metric tons per annum by 2025. Increasing domestic gas production has been a key government priority. We plan to achieve one nation, one gas grid and shift towards gas-based economy. Friends, for too long, the world has seen crude prices on a roller coaster. We need to move towards responsible pricing. We have to work towards transparent These have enabled an estimated energy saving of 60 billion units per year.